Writing web copy, do this before you start. So, review mining is a really important part of the process before you start writing a word. So, I'm just preparing to write some web copy for a new client who is a dog trainer and a dog walker. I have blacked out the reviews themselves and the names just for privacy, but I thought it would be helpful to show you how to easily refine the messaging and the key points that your audience cares about. So step one, I've already done. You need to go through and collate all of the reviews that you've got in various places. So grab them from Facebook, Google, Yelp, any other platforms where people leave you reviews, and bung them all into a spreadsheet. And then what I've done is I call them benefits, but I suppose I haven't really drilled back down yet into what the benefits are of these things. But these are the repeated messages that come up time and time again. And then I've got some columns for the services and whether they've mentioned any kind of objections or fears or what was going on before they started working. We can't control what people leave in their reviews. So you won't always get a kind of what was it like before, what happened during, what was the outcome after. That's your ideal review, but we can't control that. But what we can do is go through them and pull out the common themes, because those are the things that we want to include in our web copy and make a kind of strong point on, because they're the things that collective of people care about. So I've gone through and kind of read them all and then kind of categorized them. That was step one. Well, step one after I'd gathered the reviews. And then I've gone through and bolded the ones that repeat. So then now I know that these are the things that I have to really kind of make clear. So never let them down, reliable, same thing really. That's come up time and time again. They care that she's patient and takes her time. That comes up lots and lots. Quite a few of them said knowledgeable and experienced. Felt at ease and friendly were two that repeated a lot. So I know that these are the things that people care about, which helps me massively when it comes to writing my titles, subheaders, and key kind of points of why would you choose to work with this person. I've got a head start above the rest because I'm not assuming what they care about. I now know what they care about. I hope that's helpful.